welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. I've been recording and I didn't even know I was recording. So I don't know if you guys have heard of Rockets of Awesome. Rockets of Awesome is a it's not a subscription, but it's a box for boys and girls ages from 45 to 12 years old. And then it looks like this. So I know it's backwards. So it looks like that. And then not the program, but the box is actually created for your son or your daughters. Well, not preference, but they will send you, or they will pick out certain items for you, and all you have to do is, before they're gonna ship it, they're gonna send you an email stating or letting you know what you guys want, and then if you don't want certain item, they will definitely take that out. It will actually cross it off, and you're not gonna get that for that month. And it's only 4 months: fall, winter, summer, and spring. So you're only gonna have to deal with them 4 times a year. And then if you don't want the box, you can actually just go into your email, go into their website, and then of course you're gonna have to sign on, and then just let them know that you don't want a box for that month, and they will skip that month, and you don't have to worry about it. And what's great about this program or this box is they only charge you $5, and if you want the whole box it's $150. If you don't want the box, you ship everything. You ship everything back within 5 days. So if 5 days you don't like it, there's another email stating that you don't want it, they will definitely just take it all back with no questions asked. So that's what I like about it. I live like literally 2 minutes away from the mailbox or the post office, which is really, really great, because if I go and pick up my daughter or my son, I'll just go and drop it off. So I don't really need sometimes I do need a receipt, but I actually don't need a wait in line if I don't want to. But usually I tend to want a receipt. And this is how the box looks like. I was actually filming without knowing that I didn't even record. That's why it kept on dying on me. Alright, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead into the I actually open up a little bit of it. So yeah, so I'm keeping the box so my son can actually color it, put his toys in here. I'm keeping so many of these. I know we were planning on throwing it away, but I think I'll just keep it. Okay, so the first item is this one. Most of these are summer, and I think one of them is, yeah, they're all for summer. So they actually created for the 4 weather months. So this is size 12, and this is for my 12-year-old, 11-year-old. I believe he's 12. I think he's just turned 12. I'm so used to calling him, or telling myself that he is 11. And there's that. Just a basic short. And then the next item is, so don't forget to actually return it within 5 days, or you will be charged. 10 and 12. And then I love these because I tend to just shop for me and my daughter more. So these boxes can actually fit into my routine, because I'm super busy and I don't have the time to shop for my son, my boys. And the fact that I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep some of these or return some of them. And if you guys are interested, I will definitely let you guys know in the description down below. If not, I think I will just let you guys know anyways. Excuse my nails. I don't know. I'm undecided to actually go do my nails, because I wanted my regular nails. Alright, so there it is for that. And then the next one is this, let's see, size 12. Most of these have labels or names inside the invoice. and I will show you guys that later. I was showing it in the other, which I thought I was recording. So, and I was like, why is it dying on me? Because it wasn't actually. Oh no! Can I have my ear back? If you're wondering, my baby's next to me, talking to me, right? Yeah. Okay, 10 and 12. He's actually having fun with mommy today. 0 to awesome. Right there, 10 and 12, if you guys are wondering. And then just 3 more items. We are awesome. And this is spray. Usually some of these have names on them. Some of them don't have names on them. They have names on the invoice. And then I don't know, I like them all, but my 12-year-old is a big guy, so I may have to return some of these because these are really, really small for him. I don't know how he got so big when I'm like so teeny. I'm really, really petite. So this is an ombre blue. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love this color. And the last item, I was trying to open this, and oh my gosh, this is when I noticed that it wasn't recording. But anyways, they do sell goggles, and so depending on what month like you get this, or what season you get this pack or package, and look at that. When I saw this, I'm like, oh my god, my son is gonna love this. Super anti-fog, remove films. Look at that. I don't know. These must be in their 20s. Most of these are in 16, 20s. The price range is, I don't know. You guys just have to let me know in the comments down below. So, this is so cool. It looks like a shark. Doesn't it look like a shark teeth? Oh my god. Look at that. Okay. So this is the bag that you actually ship it back. So don't forget to send this, because this one will be in the bottom of your box. So I'll just show you the box, because sometimes it's nice to actually see that everything is empty. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video of Rockets of Awesome. It is pretty neat for boys and girls who love rockets, because some of these are rockets, of course. So if you guys like it, giving me a thumbs up. If you guys do enjoy it, of course, give me a thumbs up too. And if you guys are new again, or if you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the notification bell too as well, so you don't get so you don't miss out any notification or contents that I make. Pretty soon I will be doing more of my business, so keep an eye on that. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check out my 2 other Rockets of Awesome after this video too as well. So I'm hoping that you guys let me know what you guys like. I mean, anything that I actually show you guys. If you guys did, comment down below and let me know. I do like a few of these items, so I don't know what I'm gonna get or get for my son. He's probably gonna have to try some of these on so I can actually decide. So enough rambling. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And then I almost forgot, this is the invoice, and then that's the label. I didn't want to show my address, but here it looks like that, and that's where you actually put the label on the envelope.